Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the Bittersweet Kristin in the shade Olive Brown. I know I just did a review on the other color, which is called Amber Brown, but as I uploaded that, they decided to release Olive Brown as well as like the one-day collection as well. So I'm like, this particular shade, you can get it in both one day or monthly. The ones I'm currently wearing right now is monthly. The diameter for this one is actually 12.4mm, which is not the enlarging side, but I feel like this is so natural looking. It doesn't have to be enlarging because it's just so beautiful on the eyes. In this one, they did say that when you do put this on, it really gives you like this reflectiveness, as if like you have like this very sun-kissed, bright eyes, natural eye look, but at the same time I felt like it just gives me like that ocean eyes because you see that beautiful waves that is happening in the eyes as well. This particular olive brown shade, I definitely feel like it's very different compared to the amber brown. I do love my olive or like my green colors a lot, so when they released this particular color, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this because I'm so excited to see how it looks like on my eyes. The reason for that is because I did mention that, you know, with the amber brown, they're trying to make sure that they are trying to focus on your eye color as well. So depending on your eye color, some of these contact lenses may look a little bit lighter, a little bit darker on you guys depending on your natural eye color, but for me it's leaning towards much more of the darker side, which I actually don't mind because this whole point of this is trying to give you that very natural contact lens look. The other thing that they have promoted is that, you know, they have this like 4-color, 4-layer tier to it as well. So with this one, I can definitely see a lot going on, but at the same time I love that there's a lot going on. So first of all, I see that dark brown black border on the outer part of my eye, but somehow that border also looks like it really emphasized my natural eye color. So it actually feels like I have like a double border going on, which makes it look like the border is much more thicker compared to the amber brown. But again, I actually don't mind that because I find that really unique, if that makes sense. And then going inwards, somehow it's so buzzy. It has a combination of like hazel, yellow golden shade along with that beautiful olive shade towards it as well, and everything is very spiky looking instead of like wavy looking for this particular pattern. And so when I put this on, I actually feel like it's very similar to the Spanish olive, so I'll put like side by side, but I believe that the Spanish olive is much more greener compared to this, and I actually love the finish of this. It just looks so beautiful and mesmerizing on the eyes. It's definitely not like the most natural looking compared to amber brown. Let's talk about amber brown now because obviously I'm going to do like comparisons, and I feel like with the amber brown you can definitely pull off that natural looking pattern more just because everything is all brown, right? And so for me, with my dark brown eyes, I feel like it's more natural looking, whereas this particular olive one, you can see that this is not going to be my natural eye color because there's like olive, there's yellow, there's golden going on. But I love the combo of it because if I were to go for a natural contact lens, I would go for this because I don't do clear contact lens. If I wear contact lens, and I've told you guys many times, if you guys are my long-time follower, I like to go for my colored contact lens. So I really like this. Like, I'm actually very impressed with this particular contact lens, and usually I don't go for a small diameter. I usually go for like 13.1 but 13.2, but I actually love how this look. Like, I love that it has that border, and because it has that border, it just really makes it look like my eyes are actually not that small. I hope that makes sense, guys, because I feel like I'm blabbing, but I actually love this contact lens a lot. And if I have to pick one, I would say this olive brown definitely overpowered the amber brown. The amber brown would definitely be more of a contact lens that I don't mind wearing without makeup, but this particular olive brown I can't wear without makeup. I need makeup, but it's something that I will probably pick up on the go, put something simple on and just get out of the house because that's how comfortable I am with this contact lens. It's just how beautiful it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.